Just doing a little clip of this to add to my storm coverage. It's snowing inside the subway tracks. That can't be good for the third rail. Anyway, there you have it. There's another patch over there. I'll go take a peek. Snowing inside the subway tunnels, underground. This is the Columbus Circle 59th Street train station, and this is where they store all the trains that they took out of service to shield them from the snow. However, as you can see, snow came through those grates, and look at these subway cars here.
The next Uptown Local 1 train to 168th Street will arrive in 5 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, because of New York City Transit's winter operations plan, Uptown 2 and 3 trains are running on the one line between Chambers Street and 96th Street.
Alright. My train's here, but check that out over there. '59th Street Station. Snowden Stairs. There's more snow inside the subway in the tunnels. Well, obviously they can operate.